We are established in Kazakhstan as a branch offices firstly, and then later we invest from factory in Kazakhstan Almaty city in Káskelen region. And then in 2017 we started to this construction. Approximately 2018 we finalized and then started to manufacturing in the Káskelen region. Now we are manufacturing the road barrier and the steel construction. And also we have the hot dip galvanized plant. We can also make the hot dip galvanizing process. Or in the beginning we are actually not so clear about to make investment in Kazakhstan, but we think that this is our main country, and then we want to try it. After that, in 5 or 6 months later, we saw that the chance or the works population is more better than what we are thinking in the beginning, and then now we want to increase our investment in here. And in end of 2021, the Almaty city industrial zone is giving some area for us to make new investment. Now we will start these construction works beginning of June, or when we can get some process, when we finalize it and when we give the expertise for the projects, then we are planning to make a new investment, and with this new investment we will increase our capacity 2 more times. Now in the beginning, from beginning time to up to now, the KAZAKH Invest plus the embassy of the Kazakhstan is helping so much for us. When we have some hold point, or when we get some problem, we directly get contact, and then they will start to try to solve this issue, and then try to solve problem and show you okay, you can follow this way, and then you can go on and keep your works what you want to do. Yes, what I said, from 2 years we can say that we are fully capacity is working on Kazakhstan, and the investment in these 2 years we saw that the works capabilities and the potential of the works in Kazakhstan is increasing, and we are always saying that this country is for the securities, or for the laws, and for the works potentiality, it will be so high. And then this reason our general management is want to invest this Kazakhstan with the second plant. And what I can say for the new investors for the Kazakhstans, they can easily came here, and then they can make investment what they want to do. The Kazakhstan government and also our KAZAKH Invest helping their side and as much as possible and fully supported. You can feel behind their support. And then we can say that for the security, it's no any problem. For the currency, now up to the 2 years, now the currency is very stable, and you can estimate what is the possibilities for the next 2 years. For this area also, it will be helpful for us, because and then the government is very strict, and then strong, actually not strong. And then they also help in the other side. Yes, from what I can say for the Turkish people and other foreigners, you can easily came to Kazakhstan. Firstly, they can search the market, and then what I can suggest to them to make investment actually. First of all, Kazakhstan is very big, has a very big area. And from our market, we are making the road barriers, and now so many road construction are ongoing. And in Kazakhstan, actually speaking, it is always supplying from Russia. And then now in the Kazakhstan, the government want to made in Kazakhstan. And this reason, not so much competitors you can have in Kazakhstan. And when you open it, and the governments with government support, and then their helps for the money or taxes, you can find a very big capacity. Yeah. First is how I can say, as a summary, first is the how I say, the working possibilities. You can find so many big areas because you couldn't find so many competitors. And second one is the government support, and then KAZAKH Invest support also. They can give some support for not taxing. They didn't want any taxes for your side, and then they can give a free area to make investment. In other countries, it is not so easy to find something like this help for you. And the third, we are Turkish, and here is our motherland. We want to make investment together. We are not thinking Kazakhstan and any other countries. Turkey and Kazakhstan are like the brother countries, and this is the third reason I can say it.